Yeah, friends. Daily by daily, I make videos. So today I am going on making video. Friends, today I would say you what I thought I can do. Yeah. And from today, one in about yesterday about one book. Yeah. Yesterday about one book, and when I read that book, that book had that book had wrote that's who person don't know about 1 hour time. Yeah, who person don't know about 1 hour times. 1 hour times who person watched, you understand that person don't know valuable life. Yeah, that person don't know valuable life. And like this the book is saying only 1 hour, while in this time which is past time you live, that time you don't remember. In this time what are doing, you care. In this time you save time, and this time you can do. So friends, I would say you this time my target has I want I want good I want good I want good become I want good become teacher. Yeah. I look what is happen in future time, but I I will do hard working. I will do hard working. In this time this time I'm speaking in front of the camera, and because there is no person in past time there will be many person. I can make video there. I can make video there, but in first of all, you improve the life. You improve the life. This is not your life. Any kind of is going on, but Allah, which is which is Allah given you. This time I am thanks very of the God. Yeah. So friends, today I am saying you just like the way I am doing, you also do. If you want to do something in future time, and also any grammatically lips, and also any grammatically my translate is not good, but nevertheless I am speaking. Whatever is happen, only I have to speak. This time it is getting mistake translate, no problem. Let it mistake, but I have to speak. So because in this time I am speaking, my mouth is opening, my spoken is getting speed. So you have to do this. Sometimes it's happened that you can't to do this. Yeah. When you will go to any place, that time any person will ask you where are you from, and your your face will not see, your cloth will not see, and this time what are doing, what is your business, any person will see you. when I go to any place, any relative home, please you imagine another person come to any vehicles. That time, what do you think? What do you think that time? What are you feeling? Oh, that I comes to in four-wheeler, in like this my mind comes to matter. But if you want to success that, you can move in four-wheeler that, and you can buy. But for that you have to hard working. But there are people like this, there are boys is like this, that we don't understand that what is important things, what is color that is steady. And already 10 years, 20 years it happened that we want earn money, while only 200, 300 I can earn money. And one businessman can earn 1 hour about 1,000, 2,000, 5,000. Please you imagine 1 month how will have been earning money, how much will have been earning money.